Here is the counter in Octal setting. To get to count in Octal, output 4 from the counter is tied to the reset, because every time this goes to 8, it resets itself and starts back, like there. And since it never reaches 10, the carry pin will never be set high, and the other ones will never increment. So to get that to work, the input pin of the clock there is tied to the reset. So whenever this resets, meaning whenever it hits 8, it also increments this by 1. And same as here, output 4 is tied to reset, and reset from here is tied to the clock in. And that allows the counter to count in Octal. So the reset button. Yep.